Hello everyone, it's Colette, and today we're going to be working on this Holo Honeybee design as part of Water Marble March. If you love nail art, be sure you subscribe to my channel, My Simple Little Pleasures. And if you'd like to see how I did this, just stay tuned. Starting out with clean dry nails, we're going to begin with the base coat. Today I'm using Holo Taco Peely Base, and you can use whichever is your personal favorite. The colors I'll be using for the water marble today are Holo Taco Electrostatic, Lemon Spritzer, and Lemon Sucker. And for my base color, I'm going to be using Frozen Bananas. Once I have that applied, I'll be protecting around my nails using liquid latex as well as tape. As usual for a water marble, I'm working in a 5-ounce paper cup filled with room temperature filtered water. Once the bullseye is complete, I'm going to go ahead and draw up to the top and then down to the bottom. And then I'm going to be drawing in some stripy chevrons. Next, I'm going to go ahead and line up my nails and dip them in. I'm going to go ahead and use my orange stick to clean up the excess polish from the surface, so that it doesn't stick to my design. And then I'm going to be slowly pulling my fingers out, removing the protection, and moving on to the rest of my nails. Once all my nails are marbled, I'm going to go in with a Q-tip to clean up any larger areas as well as underneath my nails, and then I'll be going in closer with my usual small brush dipped in acetone. Finally, I'm going to finish everything off with a top coat, and as usual, I'm using Sèche Vite. So here's the finished manicure, and I really like how this turned out. I was already really pleased with the color combination, and then using the metallic base was actually a suggestion from chat during my live stream, and I think that really brought it to the next level. I do want to give you guys some flashlight time so you can appreciate how hollow and how metallic this is. If you would like to see the extended tutorial where chat holds my hand, that will be up here on YouTube shortly. And if you'd like to join me live for nail art, you can come follow over at twitch.tv/Colette MSLP. I'd love to hear what you guys think down in the comments. I hope you all enjoyed, and if you did, I hope you'll leave a thumbs up. And of course, as always, thanks for watching.